The National Screen and Sound Archive of Wales preserves, celebrates and promotes Wales's sound and moving image heritage. Part of their work involves repairing and digitising these collections to provide access online for television broadcasts and through the reading rooms at the National Library. The films are stored in a specially designed temperature-controlled storage vault to help slow the degradation process inherent in all acetate and magnetic-based materials. Before digitisation can start, a thorough inspection takes place to record the gauge and condition of the original film. To repair cement joints, dried cement is gently scraped away. Then they use a splicer to accurately realign the two sections of film before applying a small amount of film cement to join the two pieces. Sometimes, if the original splice is damaged or the base is already too thin from poor repairs in the past, it is necessary to use a tape splice. The transfer of a film to a digital format enables access on multiple platforms without the need for further handling of the original. Before the process begins, the scanner is cleaned with compressed air to remove any dust or hair. The operator then works through each scene, carefully adjusting black levels, gamma and light levels, and, where necessary, the colour balance. When the scan has completed, the resulting files are taken into editing software for any additional work that may be needed. From here, the technician creates the final digital file, taking into consideration what its end use will be. Some films are used in television broadcast, while some are only used online.